Moo. 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 Moo.
What do you got there, Drake?
Moo. Gita. Gita.
What do you got, Griffin? Is that a cat? A kitty? What do you got, Griffin? It's true. What do you got, Drake? What's that?
Gita. Gita.
Is it a cracker or is it a cow? Is it a cat? This is the first time boys have found shapes in their crackers. This was not motivated by me. Is that delicious? We had eggs and cheese and a little bit of buttered muffin. And now we're having crackers. Crackers.
Boo.
Bowl.
Baby. Baby. Baby.
Yeah, that's Griffin's bowl, isn't it? It's because you ate his eggs. He didn't want his eggs. Egg. Is that good? You guys almost look confident. What did you do to your bowl? Yeah. I threw it on the floor. Is your cracker yummy? We're all still getting over a cold. Do you want me to read that book? Okay.